you get to be my helper in just a minute. Okay, yesterday, I saw your exit tickets, and you thought so much about how you could add different numbers using place value. And you added those numbers up in chunks, just like we did in second grade. In second grade, you also subtracted big numbers. I still see hands-off markers. Subtracted big numbers in parts. Today, your thinking job is touch your brain. Ooh, the red row touched their brain right away. Your thinking job is how can I subtract this number in parts? In what?
Parts.
Parts. Okay, back to ready to learn. Ooh, the blue row did it right away. Okay, today we're going to solve a problem about a farmer. This is a picture of a strawberry farm. In Louisiana, we have a lot of strawberry farms. Some of you might have been to the Strawberry Festival before. And at the strawberry farms, they have all these plants, and when they take the strawberries off, they can sell them in the grocery store in containers like this. Okay? The farmer we're going to solve a story about today has lots of strawberry plants. They take the strawberries off some of the plants, and we have to figure out how many plants still have strawberries on them. Okay? Let's read that story. Farmer Gladys, I still have eyes tracking here because I want to make sure you read these words. Farmer Gladys has 402 strawberry plants in her garden. In October, she picked all the strawberries off of 165 of those plants. Woo! How many plants still have strawberries on them? Here's what I want you to do. Track the board. I want you to read this story again in your brain. And give me a thumbs up when you've read the whole story. Make sure you read all the words. If you read it, if your thumb is up, you can read it again while you wait for your friends. 30 seconds. Farmer Gladys has 402 strawberry plants in her garden. In October, she picked all the strawberries off of 165 plants. How many plants still have strawberries on them? Beautiful. Back and ready to learn. Here's what you're going to do. When I say go, who's still tracking me? Oh, I forgot to say that. When I say go, you are going to turn and tell your partner, what number sentence do you think matches the story? Because we have to make sure we make a mind movie and we know just what happened. I still have all these friends' eyes right here. We have to know exactly what happened before we can solve it. So we're going to think about what number sentence would match it. When I say turn to a partner. Who are our partners?
We can do blue row, green row, orange row, turn to the red. So blue
Perfect.
row.
Blue turn to green. Let's go ahead and do that first. Turn to your partner in 3.
At that 0.
In
good.
2.
Gals at that 0.
In 1. Together.
All the way turkeys, all the way Mackenzie.
You can join her right here. And 0. Tell your partner, what number sentence do you think matches this story and why? Go.
I think minus 165 equal blank. It's a
Eyes back on me in 3. Who's tracking me in 2? Backs are straight, ready to learn in 1. And I see some focused helpers already in 0. Whoa. I heard so many friends say the same number sentence. All of my friends said 402 plants minus 165. I see some me too. Equals those plants left over. You can put those hands right back to ready to learn. Thank you for showing me that agreed. This number sentence, now that we know what happened in the story, now we can think about how to solve it. Now I have a question. Should I put 402 in my brain and count backwards 165 times? 401, 400, 399, 398. Oh, I see some no ways. Silent hand up if you can tell me why that strategy probably wouldn't make sense. Right here in the orange. Tracking her?
Yes, my friend.
Go ahead.
No, it's not that because you can't, it needs a 6 and you can't, well, it's a 2 and you need to minus a 6.
I love that you're already thinking about your strategy. Why would it not make sense for me to count back 165 times? Why do you think that doesn't make sense? Say it out loud if you think you know. Why would that make sense? Oh my gosh, right back to ready to learn. It would take forever. So I'm wondering if there's a way, we're still not touching our markers, that we can take away this number in parts. Let's look at these numbers.